Hi, I'm Marna. This is a Dolls Rescue channel. And today, in 1966, Star Trek started on TV, the show Star Trek. And today, Ayla, Avar, and I are doing a little anniversary hat tip for Star Trek. I got this beautiful dress that Onward is wearing. I want to show you how nicely the stand goes in the back of that. I bought this dress for $25 from a seller at Puddle. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. What'd you say, Darren? The Discovery?
It's modeled, I'm pretty sure, after the Star Trek Discovery.
I moved her and messed up her stand. There we go.
Kind of a
stand there, Onward. I put these little boots on her. These are from AliExpress. I just thought they were cute. Yeah, she should have on stockings. You know me and shoes or socks. I'm not a big fan of socks, so I don't really put them on my doll. Well, come on, sweetheart, stand there. You were doing so. Of course, the video starts going and she doesn't want to stand. I thought that was an absolutely gorgeous dress. I had actually taken a picture of this dress and sent it to Ayla, asking her if she wanted me to pick it up for her. And she said no, that she and Ron actually like the older Star Trek type. And so I went back and got it for myself. We did not notice that it didn't have what do we call those, communicators?
Yep, communicator badge.
Or Darren would have 3D printed one for sure. Is this doll gorgeous? Oh God, I love these. Love these smart dolls. Then I also have my little grogu, who Dory gave Ayla and I each one of these when we went to Chicago for a show. She gifted us with these and then told us how to make them into reborns. He actually has little legs and little beanies in his feet. But Ayla sent each one of us this darling little shirt for him. Isn't that cute? Just love it. Happy birthday, Star Trek. Thank you so much for all the entertainment throughout the years. Darren and I watch Star Trek every day at lunch. We run an old one, we run the episode we're doing. Where are we now? Picard.
Yeah, we're in Picard
Yeah,
now,
we're watching Picard right now. And when we finish that, we'll do something else. And yes, we enjoy Star Wars also. In fact, Darren and I host on May 4th, Darren and I host a May the 4th challenge for everybody. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel today and every time you turn us on. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. The lighting's not great in here today, is it, Darren?